In today's video, we will see how to fix our ASUS monitor not working with MacBook, USB-C, HDMI scaling and a refresh fix guide. The fixed one you can check cable and adapter. So make sure the HDMI or our display port cable is properly connected to both the ASUS monitor and your MacBook. The step 2, if you are using a USB-C hub or adapter, unplug it and plug it back in firmly. In step 3, you can try using another cable or adapter to see if the current one is fault. The fix 2, you can select the correct input source or monitor. So firstly, you can press the menu button on your ASUS monitor, then go to import select and choose the correct input like HDMI display port or USB-C cable. The fix 3, you can detect display from your MacBook. So the step 1, you can click the Apple logo on your MacBook. Go to system settings or system preferences. Then you can open a display. After that, hold the option key and select detect display. The fix 4, you can restart both devices. Turn off your ASUS monitor. Shut down your MacBook completely and wait for 1 minute. Turn everything back on and reconnect the cable. Goodbye.